At ito na nga po ang day 2 ng ating pagstay dito sa Tulba. Magandang araw! Ako nga po pala ulit, si Jerima, living here in South Africa. So ngayong araw, ang gagawin natin ay hindi pa natin alam. Magpakain muna tayo guys ng ibon, tara. Madami kasing ibon dito guys. Tapos maya-maya makikita nyo may pupunta na dyan para kumain. Kita nyo guys, may pumunta na agad. Kapag gutom talaga sila, dyan sila napunta kasi alam nilang may pagkain. Sanay na sila sa may-ari dito. At kita nyo nga guys, nagtago pa siya. Nahiya yata. Ang cute ng bahay. Grapes to guys, grapes. So ayan, may bunga na siyang onte. This one. Nakita nyo ba? Yeah. May bunga na siya. Ito yung tinutuluyan namin. Kita mo yung batang yon. Saan kaya galing? Ang batang ere. May dala-dalang aso yata yun. May dala-dalang aso. What's that? What's that?
Yeah, but it's not. Like, I have to pick it up
Huh?
because it's like it doesn't feel well.
That one?
Yeah, it's like it was hiding in its cage.
So you pick it up?
Mm.
Where did you? Where have you been?
Over there where all the dogs are. Sitting down now.
Mahilig talaga ang batang yan sa aso. Kami lang talaga yung ayaw, gawa ng mahirap pag lagi kaming naalis. And syempre, dapat maging responsible owner ka pag may alaga kang hayop. And ito naman ng aming gwardyang kabayo. Lagi lang talaga siyang nandyan. Yan ang best spot niya sa garahe. Kahit na nga wala naman siyang tali at pwede siyang gumala-gala kung saan. Diyan lang talaga siya minsan. Siguro naalis lang siya pag gutom na. So ayun, maglilibot-libot lang kami guys dito sa town nila. Town. Where are we going, man? Town?
No.
Ano in the town?
Well, first I just want to get coffee, and then there's another place we want to go to. We have animals.
Animals. Mga animals na kayo. Maghanap pa kayo ng kapareho nyo.
Mga animals na kayo.
Mga animals na kayo.
But I closed there, so we buy. Close there.
Maghanap lang kami ng kape. Nasa town na kami guys. Ito yung itsura niya. And according to my husband, sabi niya maganda daw to dati, itong town na to. Pero ngayon crowded na siya. And dati daw, karamihan na nakatira dito ay white South African. But now, as you can see guys, it's mostly black and brown South African people na ang nakatira dito. And halos ngayon daw ang mga bahay dito ay may electric fence na. Pero dati daw, mga walang bakod lang. ang mga bahay dito. And alam nyo ba guys, nagtanong-tanong ako dito kung alam ba nila yung South African national anthem nila. And to my surprise guys, even my stepchildren, hindi nila alam ang national anthem nila dito. So I asked my husband, and then sabi ng husband ko, karamihan daw sa school dito sa South Africa hindi na tinuturo yung national anthem. Kasi guys, ang national anthem nila dito, kailangan kantahin mo siya in 3 languages. Xhosa, African, English. So, pag kinanta mo siya na English lang, they will gonna say like, racist ka. Pag kinanta mo naman siya in African language lang, so racist ka din. So, dapat kantahin mo siya in 3 languages or kantahin mo siya in Xhosa language. Pag kinanta mo siya ng Xhosa language lang, it's fine. Acceptable yon. So, anyway guys, ayun, may nalaman na naman tayong bagong informationes. Anyway, dumako na tayo dito sa ating paglibot-libot sa Tulba. Enjoyin muna natin ang magandang tanawin. So, ayun, naglakad-lakad kami dito. And, as you can see guys, medyo nagja-dry na ang lahat dahil summer na. So, ayun, expected na natin na ganito na ang nangyayari sa ating paligid. Walking lang tayo guys. Iniwanan na ako ng mga kasama ko. So, it's fine. May nahanap na kaming best spot sa susunod na gusto naming mag-camping. Maganda dito at may lawa. Tapos pwede ka pang mag-bonfire. So ayun, maganda to. Next year, i-aim namin yon na magkaroon kami ng like camping like once a year. So ayun. Lakad-lakad lang kami guys. Tito.
Wait, Nana. Nana, I need to get something. Nana.
What is that?
Nana.
What is that?
I need to get something.
What is that?
Quick. Just stay here quick.
Be hurry. Where is she now?
This place is actually quite cool, Papa.
Hmm?
This place is actually quite cool.
Hmm.
You'll find lots of bones and old pottery.
Just walk up to them.
Let's go. They have also peacock.
Can we go see it?
There, Bella Bayo.
Come, get out. Can we get out? No.
Yeah, why not?
Papa, is it safe to get out?
Yes.
Scared of it?
Bahala kayo dyan. Someone chasing.
See, it's because they're trying to surround him. The peacock He's busy watching both of them now. He's seeing Bella coming
Like-
from this side and Ewan coming from that side.
That's why,
Yeah.